Okay. Hey, it's Catharine Arnston, the CEO of ENERGYbits, and I'm here at Dave Asprey's Upgrade Labs 10th anniversary show. And I'm walking around and I wanted to find the best people who I have known for years with the best products that will be life-changing for you. And I'm so honored to introduce you to Dr. Alan Bauman, who is based in Florida, although he has clients who come to him from all over the world. You may know Dr. Bauman for his hair restoration, and I want him to talk a little bit about it. But listen to this, he has moved beyond hair restoration. He's into full body restoration, right?
Absolutely.
So tell us a little bit about the hair restoration and how you moved into this more foundational area for people.
Sure, well, thanks for coming by the booth.
Yeah.
Of course, here at Bauman Medical, Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center, we've treated over 33,000 patients
Including
with hair
Dave.
loss. Yeah, Dave is one of our most prominent hair transplant recipients, over 4,000 grafts about 4 years ago to restore his hairline almost about 2 inches forward from where it was. So he's a pretty happy camper now about his hair. So what we learned through treating over 33,000 patients is that the hair follicle is a very highly metabolic organ, right?
Oh, wow.
And when it's dysregulated, it could be due to many different things. Could be lifestyle, could be nutrition, could be lack of sleep, heavy metal toxicity, inflammation, right? So
interesting.
When we're uncovering that through biomarkers and evaluations and even a more detailed medical history or DNA testing, things like that, I knew I had to bring on a functional medicine department into the practice.
Sweet.
And so that's called Bauman Performance. We take care of the whole body in that way. So sometimes it starts with the hair and then we dig down and we find, oh, we got to fix these other things.
Wow, what a discovery, because I know they use the eye and the retina often as an indicator of heart issues, because in that case it's mitochondrial dysfunction that is early detection. But the hair follicle, never would have come up with that. It's fantastic.
And the hair follicle is so sensitive to all of those things. You know, it can be the first responder if there's something going wrong.
First responder, I like that.
It could be an early warning sign that, you know, we need to take a little bit more a closer look into what's going on.
Well, it's interesting you talk about that, because spirulina is loaded with protein. Of course, the hair is predominantly protein.
Absolutely.
And then when you said, you know, sometimes you get toxicity, which interferes with the hair follicle, and the chlorella pulls out toxins, so that works with you as well. So
absolutely.
Well,
for overall health and for better hair health.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what we love it. Absolutely.
And where can people find more information about you? Maybe see if they can get an analysis, or how do they start the process?
So if they're not at the booth, where you know, we can do AI-powered microscopic analysis today, or even perform a TED treatment with peptides and growth factors, exosomes, and all of that, or even go home with a laser cap. Most people start their journey from their home or their phone at Bauman Medical.
Home or their phone, I like that.
At BaumanMedical.com, you can schedule an in-person consultation in South Florida, obviously in Boca Raton, or online, virtually. We can connect through a video call or Zoom, start the conversation with some photos and a chit chat about what's happening, and start to dig into it and see what we can do to help you maintain, enhance, and restore your own living and growing hair.
So they may even want to do the analysis with the follicle just to get an early indication of what else is going on. So even if you don't want to replace your hair, that's an early indicator to do other testing to find out what else could be improved and up-leveled. So,
absolutely. Your hair is a barometer of your health. If there's something going wrong with your hair, it's changing, you're losing pigment, you're losing density, you're losing volume, you know, you're losing shine, the aesthetic value of your hair, you're seeing more shedding, that's a sign that we need, that's a sign that we need to look into it and see what's going on.
Might be something for the pets too. Thank you, Dr. Bauman, for the
you're
work
welcome.
that you do.
Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, and we'll see you all. Don't forget, Dr. Bauman Clinic is a place for everybody, with hair or without hair.
Well,